To set up this phone. That hasn't been hard reset. Now let's go. Skip. Alright, set up as new. Connect your Wi-Fi. If your hotspot is this is my hotspot. So trying to connect the data. So it's connected, so it's checking for updates. So let's wait. Still loading. Just be patient. So asking us to verify our account. So it's locked already. So let's try to put an email. Let's see. So forgot password. So let's go back. Go back. Now let's go. Click on let's go. Skip. Say Gionee S11. Set up as new. Yeah. Go back. See on network. Click on this. Good. Now try to screenshot. Alright, so let's try to screenshot. Then click on share. Good. So type of, you can see VN, yeah, type on this. So you scroll down to setting. Good. So the setting of the phone has open now. Okay. Then you click on, just scroll to more setting. Then you scroll, go to backup and reset. Then backup, go to cloud. Then just on this. Then you can go back. Automatic restore. Then click on backup. Off it back again. Next thing, go back. Then click on restore factory and setting. Then click on restore. Erase your data. So change the language, English. Let's go. Skip. Set up as new. Alright. Okay. And just wait for it to connect. Alright. Good. So remember the first video, the initial time, it did not show us the skip. So it show you successful now. So just click on skip. Skip. Okay, just give some time. Next, you can type your name if you want. Skip anywhere. Just scroll. Agree. See it now. Then click on this. Accept. Next. That is it, guys. So good to go. It's set already. So watch out for more video. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and share it to other technicians. Drop your comments if this is helpful to you. See you in the next video.